2K KAWA Mini 3 Pro Dash Cam. Compact smart car DVR with parking monitor, Wi-Fi app and voice control. The 2K KAWA Mini 3 Pro Dash Cam is a powerful yet ultra-compact automotive video recorder designed to deliver high-definition driving security in a discreet and modern form. Despite its tiny size, this advanced car DVR captures crystal-clear 2K resolution footage, ensuring sharp details such as license plates, road signs, and surrounding traffic in both daylight and low-light conditions. Engineered for continuous protection, the dash cam features an intelligent 24-hour parking monitoring system that automatically records when motion or impact is detected while your vehicle is parked. This provides reliable surveillance against accidents, vandalism, or suspicious activity, giving you peace of mind wherever you leave your car. With built-in Wi-Fi connectivity, the KAWA Mini 3 Pro pairs seamlessly with a dedicated smartphone app, allowing users to view live footage, download recordings, adjust settings, and manage video files directly from their mobile device. This wireless control eliminates the need to remove memory cards and makes video sharing quick and convenient. The dash cam also supports voice control technology, enabling hands-free operation for safer driving. With simple voice commands, users can start recording, take snapshots, lock important footage, or control key functions without taking their eyes off the road. Its minimalist and tiny design allows for discreet installation behind the rearview mirror without obstructing your driving view. Despite its compact size, the device is built with high-performance recording hardware, wide-angle lens coverage, and advanced image processing for smooth and reliable video capture. The KAWA Mini 3 Pro is ideal for daily commuters, professional drivers, and road trip enthusiasts who want reliable evidence in case of accidents, insurance claims, or unexpected incidents. Combining high-resolution recording, smart parking protection, wireless connectivity, and voice-activated control, it delivers a complete modern driving safety solution in a compact form.